We'll guide you through how to copy row in Excel table. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because managing structured tables in Microsoft Excel often requires duplicating rows for new entries, similar records, or template data. Copying rows correctly helps maintain formulas, formatting, and table structure. Users want a quick and accurate method to avoid manual retyping and reduce errors. To begin this tutorial, open Microsoft Excel on your computer or laptop and wait until the Excel Start screen fully appears before continuing to the next action. Open the workbook that contains your Excel table so you can access the correct data. Make sure the worksheet with the table is visible on your screen. Click anywhere inside the Excel table to activate it and ensure you are working within the correct range. Identify the row you want to copy by reviewing the data carefully. Click the row number on the left side of the worksheet to select the entire row. Confirm the whole row is highlighted across all columns so you know it is fully selected. Right-click on the selected row to open the context menu. Click Copy from the context menu to copy the selected row. Alternatively, you can press Ctrl C on your keyboard to perform the same action. Scroll to the location where you want to paste the row so you can place it correctly within the table. Click the row number below where the copied row will be placed to prepare the insertion point. Right-click on that row number to open the menu options. Click Insert Copied Cells from the menu to insert the copied row into the new position. Confirm the copied row appears in the new position within the table. Check that all data in the row is copied correctly, including text, numbers, and formulas. Adjust any references if needed, especially if formulas require modification. Review the table structure after inserting the row to ensure formatting and alignment remain consistent. Use the undo and redo commands if you make a mistake during the process. Finally, save your Excel file after copying the row successfully to keep all changes applied and secure.